I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. Linking your bank account on Varo is straightforward, and I am here to walk you through it. Step 1. Open the Varo app. Launch the Varo app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the linking feature. Step 2. Go to the Accounts section. Once you're in the app, navigate to the Accounts tab located at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can manage your linked accounts. Step 3. Select Link a Bank Account. In the Accounts section, look for the option that says Link a Bank Account and tap on it. This will take you to the linking process. Step 4. Enter your bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Make sure to double check these numbers to avoid errors. Quick gotcha: if you accidentally enter the wrong routing number, you might face delays in linking your account. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your details, review the information for accuracy. If everything looks good, hit the confirm button to save your linked account. Now you're all set. Linking your bank account on Varo is a simple process, and once it's done, you can easily manage your finances. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.